Welcome. My name is Thomas. I'm here to share in this video my story, my tax preparation guide. This is an updated version of the one I wrote in 2020. And this guide is designed to give you an overview of what it takes to start and grow your tax preparation business from what you need to do, not how you need to do it. That's where the mentorship and coaching come in at, is that with mentorship and coaching, I show you step by step how to carry out what you need to carry out when it comes to starting and growing your own profitable tax preparation business. This here guide gives you the information that gives you an idea of what that looks like, so you can see if there's something you can embark on your own, or do you need to elicit someone else assistance who can help you set your business up, help fast track your success, and have you profitable in your first season. I've been in this industry for 21 years, 15 as a business owner. And so as a solopreneur, self-employed individual starting out, I started out with 2 locations. I hired 2 people for each location. And in my first season, I made $40,000 in 3 months, $5,000 in 1 day. My results are not typical, implied, or guaranteed. The average person that I work with will not make that type of income in their first season because they're not positioned in the way I was when I got started. The difference between me and the people that I'm working with is, one, these people are brand new to having a business in general. They're brand new to having a tax preparation business at all. So they're learning the skills and knowledge needed to provide the tax preparation service. They're learning how to use professional software to do the work with. They're learning basic marketing strategies that's going to help them go out and get clients. And so based on the type of individual you are all around, it's going to help play a role in your success. So if you're an outgoing person who likes talking to people, who well liked, loved, and respected, have a large following of people, that helps promote your business, and it helps you to get clients from those people because they will spread the word, they will refer people to you, and a portion of them will do business with you. You got some people that will never do business with you based on the way they see you and the relationship that you have with them. And so you got certain family members, regardless if they're immediate family, cousins, nephews, nieces, will never do business with you because you got some people that don't want you to know their financial business. And so for that reason, they won't do business with you, but they'll go somewhere else. But those are the same people who will reach out to you when something go wrong with their taxes and don't want to go to the person they spent their money with. And so that's what you're good enough to get from those type of individuals. And that's based on my years of being in this industry and learning these things. Number 2, the steps and tasks and process it takes to set up a tax preparation service may not be difficult, but it's challenging if you've never done it before. I've got clients, 8 out of 10 of them never had a business at all. A few of them might have other businesses that they already done, and they're adding on this to it. But the bottom line is, if you never filled out the e-file provider's application, 9 out of 10 people can't do it by themselves. They have to get on the phone and call e-services and get support with making that happen, because the application is designed in such a way where it's not easy to maneuver through it and fill out certain sections that you don't even know exist. So that's why you need the assistance of someone. So either you're going to do it yourself or find someone who going to help you do it for free, which means you're going to get on the phone to e-services and call a number and tell them you're trying to fill out the e-file provider's application, and you might find someone nice enough to walk you through helping you fill that out, which is great. Number 2, the process to get your fingerprints done have changed. So now you have to fill out the e-file provider's application. You have to go to a website, register your account, and schedule your fingerprinting with a vendor that's close to where you live. And so that's the new difference between the fingerprinting process now versus back in the day. We used to go to fingerprinting places like passport spots, do fingerprinting, police stations, Cook County Sheriff spots, those type of places we used to go to and get our fingerprint cards done. With this new process, you no longer have to do it that way. set up an online account is easier now because they're using ID.me to make that happen. So for the person who needs to set up the paperwork needed to be considered a tax service, you may or may not be able to do that successfully by yourself. When it comes to the EIN number, you got the free version because it's free to get the EIN number. It's when you trying to incorporate and you want to become an LLC, that's a state filing fee that's varied from state to state. So that process might be something you definitely need some assistance with, especially if you have no experience with doing. So certain aspects of setting up your tax preparation business that you're going to need assistance with. You're either going to pay somebody to help you do it, or you're going to find someone who's willing to do it for free. The choice is yours. But what my full-fledged coaching program brings to the marketplace is, number one, it removes all the guesswork on what you need to do to get started and to grow and to build. Number two, it fast-tracks your success with being able to be profitable in your first year, because now you have someone on your team who has the knowledge, the skills, the insight, and the understanding on what it's going to take for you to go out here and be all you can be with this business and this career industry of tax preparation and taxation. You got someone who can give you real world insight, real world solutions to things that you're going to go through with potential clients being in this industry that you have no clue about because you've never been there and done that. So what I bring to the marketplace with my full-fledged coaching premium program is priceless. It's $2,000 for my program. In January, it's going up to at least $2,500, maybe even more. But the bottom line is I'm looking to bring maybe one or two tiers into 2023, meaning I'm going to have tier 1 price, tier 2 price. They're going to have different bonuses and things that's going to come with that. So I'm leaning towards bringing that to the marketplace in January. But right now, I'm doing a special where this ebook is $37. And if you purchase this ebook in the month of November, you get 3 free coaching sessions with me where you get to talk with me and ask me all the different questions you need to know that's going to help you decide if this is the right career move for you. Because see, this is a career industry, regardless if you can see it that way or not. On top of that, I'm going to give you real world training material that you can check out at the comfort of your own home to see if you can learn how to prepare individual income taxes. And if you can, do you want to move forward and make it happen? A lot of people don't understand until you take action, you don't know if this is right for you. So the quicker you take action, the quicker you can find out if this is the right career business model for you or not. You got some people who find out once they take action that this ain't what I thought it was going to be. It's difficult to understand the information, and they have to move on to finding something else to do as far as starting a business. Then you got some people, which is a small few, that understand this stuff, decide they can handle it, get all in, and be all they can be with it. Like I said, those are very few. So if you're the person that's looking to start your own tax preparation business and you want to work with me, way less cheaper than the $2,000 price point that I charge for the investment of this coaching mentorship program, the first way to do that is buy this ebook from me. From there, we're going to get together on 3 different occasions and do a Zoom call where we're going to get to know each other. I'm going to get to answer all your questions and concerns about starting a business in this way. I'm going to let you know all the perks and benefits that you get by working with me that you can't get nowhere else because it doesn't exist, because no one has what I have when it comes to mentorship and coaching in this career industry. You got some people that's doing similar things that I do, but they don't have what I have. I have 21 years experience, 15 as a business owner in this industry, and I can help you make 6 figures in 12 months or less, but you must take massive action to make that happen. You must be the right person that's willing to learn and do and become the person you need to become to make that happen. The process of starting a business will help you gain a transformation in your life that's going to help you become a better person because of the process it involves demands that you must change in order to have a successful, profitable business for yourself for the long term. And if you're willing to go through that process and come out on the other side a shiny diamond, then you will be successful. And we're not talking about money all the time. You determine what's successful to you. It's an individual desire and choice. Some people are successful if they can simply start a business and make enough money to meet their everyday needs, be able to go on vacation faithfully every year, and not have to tell their children no for the things they want and desire. Those are successes for people who have determined that to be the case. So everyone's version of success will be different. So if you want to make it and be all you can be and get to work with me for very inexpensively through this special that ends November the 30th, the first thing you have to do is buy this ebook for $37. We're going to get together on 3 Zoom calls. And after those 3 Zoom calls, you'll get to decide if you want to work with me or not and move forward. If you do, you'll have to make an investment that's going to allow you to come in at a cheaper rate than $2,000, where all you simply have to do is I'm going to give you 2 options. We're going to help you set up your own tax service, which means based on what time of the month you sign up with me, we probably won't be able to get your paperwork approved in time, but you can work with me under my partnership revenue split program, where this revenue split might go both ways. Majority of revenue split programs are one-sided, meaning they give you an opportunity to work with them based on how many customers or clients you go out there and get, and y'all split the money based on whatever the agreed terms are. And in this opportunity, I got 2 tiers. Tier 1 is $597, one-time payment, and then 60/40, meaning all the new clients I go out and get in 2023, I'm gonna give you 60. I'm gonna give you 40. I keep 60 because I went out and got it. All the clients you go out and get in 2023, you keep the 60, you give me 40. And that's the unique difference with the revenue split partnership program, is that we gonna help each other in the sense that I'm gonna help fast track your success financially, because there's a good chance I'm gonna go out and get more clients than you would be being a seasoned veteran in this industry versus you being new to this industry. Tier 2 is $995, whereas 80/20. So if you go out and get 25 clients next year, you keep the 80, you give me the 20. If I go out and get 25 clients next year, you get the 20, I keep the 80. And that's the beauty and the uniqueness of this partnership revenue split program. So if you're interested, you want to learn more, reach out to me at 773-782-1320. Always leave my contact information inside all my videos, giving you permission to reach out to me, because it's my job and responsibility to build relationships with people who looking to start their own preparation business. And so if you're looking to do that and you're ready to take action, reach out. Please share my video content with other people that you believe might be interested, who might be looking for what I already had to offer. Please share that. Subscribe to my channel. Let other people know that, hey, the world of tax preparation is a YouTube channel you might want to check out. This guy here might be the right one for you. You told me you was looking to start your own tax preparation business, and you've been on YouTube trying to find the right one. And have you come across this channel? If not, go check it out. So be willing to spread the word about my channel and what I had to offer to people that you know are looking for what I'm talking about on my channel, which I very, very would gladly appreciate. And I'll see you in my next video.